All right, guys. First of all, good morning. Thank you for coming to my virtual class. This is what we are going to do today. Number one, I am going to tell you all the activities for the next 3 weeks. Remember, in 3 weeks, we will finish this course. I repeat, in 3 weeks, we will finish this course. On the chat, I wrote all the activities for the next 3 weeks. So please check the chat, please. Okay, so that is what we're going to do today. Number one. Number two, please open your Google Classroom. Today we will work with Google Classroom. All right, in the meantime, number three, today we're going to study something very easy, but something very useful for you. That is called prepositions of place. We are going to work with prepositions of place, all right? We are going to practice. We're going to practice writing exercise because we haven't practiced writing, so we're going to practice a writing exercise, and then we're going to play with Kahoot. Remember Kahoot we played last class, so we will play again. Okay, if we have time, we will start working on your final presentation. All right, if we have time. All right, so any questions before we start? ¿Alguna pregunta, chicos? Any questions before we start? No questions? All right, so let's start, okay? Let me start by the beginning. Number one, okay. We only have 3 more weeks. I repeat, we only have 3 more weeks, including this, okay? So today is August 22nd. Today, we will work on the prepositions of place, all right, as I already said. Then, next week, August 29th, okay? On August 29th, we're going to dedicate the complete hour for your preparation for your final task. I repeat, next class, I am going to work with you, with all of you in the preparation of your final activity, okay? And then on September 5th, you will present your final activity, and that will be the closure of this course. I repeat, on September 5th, you will present your final activity, and it is going to be the closure of this course. So for all of you who ask when you are going to present your final activity, you have the answer. It's on September 5th. Es el septiembre 5 que usted presenta su última actividad. Y ese será el último día de este curso. Luis Fernando, what happened to you? You were sleeping, come on. All right. So be careful, guys. Today, so if you wanna, in conclusion, today it is our last class. Hoy es nuestra última clase, chicos. Today. Next week, prepararemos su tarea final. Los ayudaré a los que más pueda, a todos, ¿ok? Pero usted ya tuvo que haber avanzado, por supuesto, ¿verdad? And then, y luego el septiembre 5, usted presentará su tarea final, como ya lo acordamos, y será la clausura de este curso. All right? Any questions, guys? ¿Alguna pregunta, chicos? So everything is clear, right? So you have 1 more week to work on your presentation, and then I will work with you. Luego trabajaré con cada uno de ustedes ya para ir puliendo. All right? Any questions, guys? ¿Alguna pregunta, chicos? If there are no questions, let's start. Si no hay preguntas, empecemos. All right? So let me share my screen, please. Okay, be careful. All your activities of today's class are here on your Google Classroom, on your unit number 5. Today, as I already said, we're going to work on prepositions of place. we're going to practice with a map. You have here the map, you see the map. And then we're going to practice writing with prepositions of place. And finally, we're going to play with Kahoot and prepositions of place. So if you're ready, I am ready. Okay, so let's start. Let's start by the beginning, all right? Well, remember, this is called prepositions of place, right? There are many prepositions of place, but we're going to study the most important, okay? Let's see, the first one. The first one is in. As you can see, we have a box and we have a tennis ball, okay? So you see in this case, the first preposition of place is in. And the tennis ball is in the box. You see, it's in, está adentro. In is the short of inside. You see, es el corto de inside. Ah, Javier, you see that? In, inside, all right? Then the next preposition of place is on. On. You see, está encima, ¿verdad? On. All right, o sobre, okay? Then, under is the opposite, sería lo opuesto de on, ¿verdad? Debajo, that is under. Then, you have another preposition of place, behind, atrás. You see the tennis ball is behind the box. In front of, and be careful here, guys. I do a stop. Here I do a stop. Aquí hago un alto. The preposition is in front of. 3 words. Son 3 palabras. In front of. Because I have heard, yo he escuchado muchas veces in front o he escuchado front of. No. The correct preposition of place is in front of. Front ends in T. Si ven también termina en T. Porque también he escuchado in front. Y no es in front. It's in front of. Okay, be careful with that. Then, the next preposition of place is above. You see, encima, ¿no? Está sobre, ¿verdad? Below, same thing as under. Lo mismo que under, okay? Between, you see the tennis ball here is between the 2 boxes. Entre, you see? Between, or in the middle of, o también en el medio de, okay? And we have another preposition of place that is next to. And be careful, the preposition has 2 words, next and to. Next to. Okay, just in case you have all this material. Por si acaso, todos tienen este material en su Google Classroom, no se olviden, ¿eh? All right? Okay, so these are the basic prepositions of place that we learn in kindergarten or in high school, okay? Those are the basic, esos son los básicos, ¿verdad? Well, let's see some other prepositions of place. Veamos otras un poquito más interesantes, okay? Another prepositions of place. We have near, 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 okay? That is cercano, cercano o cerca a. Cercano o cerca a, okay? Near. For example, I have an example here. The bank is near the grocery store. You see? Está cerca. That is another preposition of place. Another preposition of place. Close to. Be careful. Close to. It's not close. It's close to. For example, the church is close to my house. You see? Close to. Ese sería cerca. Okay? So near and close to are almost the same. So casi lo mismo, ¿verdad? Near and close to. Then, far from. Far from. And far from is the opposite. Es lo opuesto, far from. Es lejos de. All right? So you have another example. The university is far from San Jose. You know San Jose? In the north zone, en la zona norte. So the university is far from San Jose. Far from, be careful. Far from, close to, near. Okay? And the last preposition of place. On the corner of. This is a little bit longer. Esta está más larga, ¿verdad? On the corner of. On the corner of. On the corner of. Que es en la esquina de. En la esquina de. So I have an example here. The library is on the corner of Palm and Queen Avenue. You see, is on the corner of. Y si está en la esquina de, debe estar por dos calles o por dos avenidas o por una calle y una avenida. Ya lo veremos en el mapa. All right? So those are the most common prepositions of place. Esas son las más comunes, chicos, okay? So you have a new ones, tienen unas nuevas, near, close to, and far from, and on the corner of, okay? Probably you know that. Quizás ustedes ya lo sepan, okay? Ready to practice? ¿Listos para practicar? That is the theory. Esa es la teoría. I want the practice. Yo quiero la práctica. Okay? So let me show you this map. Just in case you got the map, todos tienen su mapa ahí, chicos. Open your map, abran su mapa si quieren. All right. You got the map, todos tienen su mapa ahí. Si no lo pueden ver aquí, you can have your map. Está su mapa en Google Classroom. Aquí está the map. You see the map? All right. Well, this is a very simple map, and we're going to practice prepositions of place with it. Okay, con él practicaremos preposiciones de lugar. Okay, so let's check the map. Revisemos qué trae este mapa. Okay, well, as you can see, this map has 2 streets and 1 avenue, right? I repeat, this map has 2 streets and 1 avenue. You have Palm Street, you have Lane Street. Those are the 2 streets. And then you have 1 avenue, which is Queen Avenue. You see? Very simple, right? Muy fácil hasta ahí. Todos me siguen, ¿verdad? All right. And we have different places. Tenemos diferentes lugares, okay? Let's check the places. Revisemos cuáles son esos lugares. From the bottom to the top. Desde abajo hacia arriba. Okay? You have the museum. You have the music shop. You have the chemist. It's like the pharmacy. Then you have the hotel, the phone box, the town hall, the post office, the art gallery, the pub, the Italian restaurant, the aquarium, the vet, which is the veterinarian, the public toilet, the school, the theater, the news agent, the car park, the supermarket, the police station, the hospital, the shopping center, the club, the church. You also have the park, the bus stop, the public library, the Korean restaurant, and the bank. Okay, so we also describe the map. Ya lo describimos, ¿verdad? Hasta ahí, ¿alguna pregunta? No quiero adelantarme. No questions? Can I continue? ¿Puedo seguir entonces? All right. Okay. So this is what we are going to do. Let's study let's use the first preposition of place. Teacher, you said that the first preposition of place will be on, será on. Y utilizamos on para decir que algo está sobre la calle o en la calle, si usted lo quiere decir así. For example, miren por ejemplo. You see the school? You see the school? Si ven aquí la school, la escuela. Using prepositions of place, I can say that the school is on Lane Street. ¿Sí ven? La escuela está sobre la calle Lane. Ah, simple, right, Alexa? Huh, you like that? Le gustó, Alexa. Very good. All right. Using prepositions of place, utilizando preposiciones de lugar, ya puedo empezar a describir este mapa. ¿Cómo, profesor? Muy sencillo. You see the theater? You see the theater? Si ven el theater aquí, el teatro. You see the school here, and you see the news agent here. Okay, veamos. I can say that the theater is next to the school. Está al lado, ¿sí lo ven? And using prepositions of place, I can say that the theater is between the school and the news agent. Si utilizo la preposición between, deberé tener dos cosas al lado, ¿verdad? I repeat. The theater is between the school and the news agent. Simple, right? Muy sencillo, Ariana, ¿verdad? Very, very simple. Muy sencillo. So you're ready to practice, guys. ¿Listos para practicar, chicos? Okay. So I'm going to call you one by one. Los llamaré uno por uno como los tengo aquí en mi pantalla. And you are going to describe this map using prepositions of place. Eso es lo que harán ustedes, ¿verdad? Describir este mapa utilizando preposiciones de lugar como lo acabo de hacer yo. Any place, any preposition. Okay? So let's start. Empecemos. I see in my screen Alexa first. Lo veo aquí, Alexa. Y ya se fue Ariana.
Yeah.
Alexa, can you please describe
Music shop. Yeah, music shop is far from the shore.
Absolutely. The music shop is far from the
Church.
From the church. Very good. Very, very good. You see, far from. Ariana, you left. Se nos fue Ariana. Daniela. Emily Mirabal.
Okay, the park is on the corner of Queen Avenue.
Absolutely, absolutely. Okay, the park is on the corner of Queen Avenue. Very good, Miss Samantha. What happened, Samantha?
¿Cómo se decía al lado?
Al lado, next to.
Bank is the next to Korean restaurant.
So the bank, porque es el banco, ¿verdad? The bank is next to the Korean restaurant. Very good, Samantha. Steven.
The school is far from the park.
Absolutely, sir. The school is far from the park. Javier.
Yes, mister.
Go ahead, sir.
Police station.
The police station. The police, porque es la estación. The police station.
The police station is far from the bank.
Very good. Very good, sir. Juan Andres. Can you describe this map using prepositions of place, sir?
Disculpa, ¿qué era la pregunta?
Can you please describe this map using prepositions of place? On, next to, behind, far from, close, between. Go ahead, you can do it. You can do it, Juan Andres. You see the hospital, Juan Andres? You see the hospital and the police station? What prepositions of place can you use to describe the hospital and the police station, Juan Andres?
Cerca.
Yeah, of course. I can say that the hospital is...
Police station.
The hospital is close to the police station. Very good. Dana.
The supermarket is near of a school.
Is near.
Is near.
Can you repeat the sentence? The supermarket is near.
Of a school.
No, be careful, Dana. Let's go back to the prepositions. Veamos, regresemos un poquito. I just heard, acabo de escuchar, the supermarket is near of the... No, miren, si ven, la preposición no es near of, es solo near. Okay, so can you repeat it again? ¿La podemos repetir otra vez?
Entonces sería the supermarket is near the school.
Absolutely, okay? No es near of, es solo near. All right, let me see, anybody else? ¿Alguien más por aquí? Lisbeth, long time, Lisbeth.
But the club is between church and hospital.
Very good. Emily Figueroa.
The aquarium is between the Italian restaurant and Met.
Absolutely, Miss. Luis Loza, good morning, sir.
Good morning, teacher.
Can you describe the map using prepositions of place?
The theater is between a school and New Cheyenne.
Can you repeat again, please, sir? The
theater.
The theater.
Is,
the theater.
The theater is between a school and New Cheyenne.
And the news agent. Very good. Ariana. Ariana.
The shopping center is in front of the Italian restaurant.
Absolutely. The shopping center is in front of the Italian restaurant. Luis Fernando. Activate your microphone, please, Luis Fernando. You can do it.
Hola.
Yes, go ahead, Luis Fernando.
The Korean restaurant between the bank and public library.
Okay, just one mistake, solo un error ahí, Luis Fernando. Mira, acabaste de decir, the Korean restaurant between the bank and public library, pero te faltó el verbo. Ahí tú me acabas de decir esto. El restaurante coreano entre el banco y la biblioteca. Pero te faltó el verbo. El restaurante coreano está entre el banco y la biblioteca pública. So the verb is. Es el verbo is. La forma correcta sería: the Korean restaurant is between the bank and the public library. All right, Luis Fernando? Lainey. Lainey, you left. Lainey, you left. Okay. All right. Not a problem. Okay. So now that we practice a little bit with this map, you're ready for the next activity. Listo para la siguiente actividad, chicos. Okay. On the next activity, let's practice something new. let's practice writing. Vamos a practicar writing because we have practiced listening, we have practiced speaking, we have practiced a lot of things, but we haven't practiced writing, okay? So let's go to your Google Classroom. Vamos todos a su Google Classroom. And here you have prepositions of place. ¿Sí ven que tienen prepositions of place? Just make a click on that. And then you just make a click on the paddle. It is called paddle, Padlet, Padlet. Okay, so you ready there? Okay, so what do you have to do? Let's say that it is like a whiteboard. Es como una pizarra aquí. Okay, in this case, we're going to work with prepositions of place. So what you have to do, lo que usted tiene que hacer simplemente es un clic en la pantalla. Haga un clic, Javier, por ejemplo. Make a click, haga un clic en la pantalla. Make a click, Javier, en la pantalla, donde sea. Y escriba la descripción del mapa, la que usted quiera. Por ejemplo, el banco está al lado de, o lo que sea. Make a click. All right. Ahí está. The aquarium. Tiene que ser real, ¿verdad? The aquarium. Ok, let me see the aquarium. Veamos the aquarium. Ok, the aquarium. Ahí estamos viendo el aquarium. Y estamos viendo lo que está escribiendo Javier. The aquarium. Very good. In the meantime, mientras tanto, el resto también está escribiendo lo suyo. What is the idea? The idea is that we describe the complete map. Esa es la idea, de que todos describan el mapa completo. All right? So let's do this. Hagamos esto. Entonces, ya están escribiendo. I have here, the public library is far from the music shop. Okay? Y ahí vamos a hacer algo de corrección.
I finished, Mr.
Ok, no solo una, sino muchas. La idea es describir todo el mapa, ¿no? Descríbame todo el mapa. Pueden poner, por ejemplo, 1, the public library is far from the house. 2, de la siguiente, así, ¿ok? The idea is that you describe the complete map. Esa es la idea, que describan todo el mapa. Y ahí vamos a hacer un alto, ¿ok? Very good. All right. I see. Ya estoy viendo que están escribiendo. Very good. Describe all the map. Describan todo el mapa. And then we do a stop. Y luego hacemos un algo porque tengo que corregir algunas cosas. All right, let's do a stop. Hagamos un alto ahí, chicos. Be careful. Mucho ojo con esto. Mucho ojo con esto. Okay? Be careful here. Ah, you corrected. Ya lo corrigieron. Qué bien. Okay? Be careful. Okay? Ya lo corrigieron. Ya aprendieron. Okay? Porque es, aquí decía, school is far from. School, escuela. Pero no es escuela, es la escuela, ¿verdad? Es the school. Aquí está. Public library. Aquí está. You see? Si ven mi pantalla. Public library is far from music shop. Ahí dice que ahí dice, biblioteca pública está lejos de tienda de música. ¿Sí? Algo no cuadra, ¿no? Biblioteca pública está lejos de tienda de música. No. Utilizamos el artículo, ¿verdad? The public library is far from the music shop. La biblioteca pública está lejos de la tienda de música. Okay, very good. Just correct that. Corríjanlo, chicos. Okay, so let's see. 2 more minutes, dos minutos más para que lo escriban. Try to describe the complete map. La idea es que usted describa todo el mapa.
Profe, yo me salí sin creer de dónde estaba y no lo encuentro.
Be careful here. The hospital is, be careful here. Ah, this is writing. ¿Sí ven? Que es un poquito distinto. Esto es writing, ejercicio de writing. Try to describe the complete map. Todo el mapa tiene que estar aquí descrito. Very good. Very good. Just describe the complete map. Todo el mapa tiene que estar aquí. Be careful. The shopping center is next to the Poklitse. Be careful. Be careful what you write. Very good. Very, very good, guys. Very good, guys. Very, very good. I'm impressed. Estoy impresionado. Very, very good. Okay, 5 more minutes. Try to describe the complete map, please. Two more minutes. One more minute. Wow. Mm. 30 seconds and we finished. Okay, let's check. Okay, so let's check. Let's check the first one and let's correct some mistakes, okay? And the idea is that all these prepositions of place are correctly used. The museum is far from the stop. That is correct. The bus stop. That is correct. The hospital is near the club. The hospitals. The police station is on the corner of Lane Street. That is correct. The art gallery is near the Italian restaurant. That is correct too. The Korean restaurant is on Palm Street. Very good, very good. The town hall is on the corner of Lane Street. Very good. The Moose Sea Shop, the Moose Sea Shop. Who wrote that? The church is close to the park. Who wrote that? ¿Quién escribió eso? No hay una preposición que sea close. Be careful. This is writing. Okay. The bank is far from the aquarium. Very good. The shopping center is near the police station. Very good. The shopping center is next to the police station. That is also good. The school is far from the club. Very good. The chemist is between the hotel and the music shop. Very good. The club is between the church and the hospital. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. The Korean restaurant is far from the church. Absolutely. The police station is far from the aquarium. Very good. The school is far from the park. Very, very good. The aquarium is between the vet and the Italian restaurant. Absolutely. And the club is behind in the shopping center. Ahí hacemos un alto. No, be careful. Be careful, guys. Miren, mucho ojo con esta de aquí. The club is behind in the shopping center. It cannot be behind in. No puede ser behind in. Son dos preposiciones distintas. O está atrás o está dentro. Ahí dice que el club está atrás, dentro. No. Sería, the club is behind the shopping center. Así nada más. Be careful with that. Mucho ojo con eso. Corríjalo, ¿verdad? The bank is near the Korean restaurant. The music shop is on Lane Street. Very good. Okay, very, very good. All right, let me see here. The school is behind the supermarket. The club is behind the shopping center. The museum is far from the park. Very good. The school is next to the museum. Very, very good. The hospital is behind the police station. The school is next to the theater. Very good, very good. The shopping center is close to the church. Very good. The Korean restaurant is on Palm Street. Perfect. The club is, miren, mucho ojo aquí. You see this? Si ven esta de aquí. The club is next, is nest. No hay una preposición que sea next. La preposición de lugar es next. Next. With T at the end. Con la T al final. The club is next to the hospital. ¿Han escuchado también Next Generation? O la canción de Ariana Grande, creo que es Thank You Next. You heard, ahí ya la escuchó. Next. La siguiente, next. Okay? Very good. Okay. The music shop and the chemist are between the hotel and museum. Okay. The bank is close to, aquí está, ya lo corregimos ¿verdad? Mucho ojo con esto. Miren lo que dice ahí. Ahí dice que el banco está cerca de restaurante coreano. El banco está cerca de restaurante coreano. No. El banco está cerca del restaurante coreano. The bank is close to the Korean restaurant. Okay? Be careful with that, guys. Mucho ojo con eso, chicos. Okay? Be careful with that. But in general, I'm surprised. Estoy sorprendido en general. Very, very, very good. Okay? So you like the activity? ¿Les gustó esa actividad, chicos? That is writing. Ese es writing. Hemos practicado algunas. Okay? Just to finish. Para terminar esta clase, chicos. Okay? Let's play. Luis Fernando, don't sleep. Come on, Luis Fernando. Let's play. Do you want to play? ¿Quieren jugar, chicos? Okay. Recuerden, yo digo jugar, pero estamos aprendiendo, ¿verdad? All right. So let's play. Entonces, juguemos, chicos, okay? Let's go to your Google Classroom again. Vamos todos a su Google Classroom de nuevo. And on your Google Classroom, you have prepositions of place, Kahoot. Okay. Do you remember Kahoot? ¿Se acuerdan de Kahoot? Okay. Okay. For all of you, a los que no se acuerdan, you just open another window, solamente abren otra ventana. Okay. You type Kahoot, presiona o escriben Kahoot. And you make a click on the second option. En la segunda opción hacen un clic. Dice Play Kahoot. You play Kahoot. Okay. Y todos deberían estar ahí hasta que yo les dé el pin. ¿Se acuerdan el pin? Okay. You there? ¿Están todos ahí? ¿Están todos ahí? All right. No, no todavía. Okay, you just go to Google, type Kahoot, And then you choose the second option y escoge la segunda opción. Y todos deberán estar ahí hasta que yo les dé el pin. All right. You there? ¿Están todos ahí? Luis Loza? You there? Emily, you there? All right. So let's go to your Google Classroom. Let's go to your Google Classroom and you just make a click on Kahoot. Simplemente hacen clic en Prepositions of Place Kahoot. And I am ready to start. Estoy listo para jugar, okay? As you can see, it is the same map. ¿Sí ven? Es el mismo mapa. Ah. Okay, you're ready to play? ¿Listos para jugar, chicos? You ready? Luis Fernando, thumbs up if you're ready. Emily, thumbs up if you're ready. Luis, thumbs up if you're ready. The thumbs up if you're ready. Ariana, you ready? Javier, you ready? Emily, are you ready? All right, here we go. Aquí vamos entonces. Let's play. Okay. I'll give you the pin. All right. Okay, that is the pin. So copy the pin. 5562827. I repeat. 5562827. Okay, I have Javier in. I have Emily Miraba in. Dana is in. Steven, Lisbeth. Luis Loza is in. Samantha is in. Lane is there. I only have 13 students. What happened to the rest of the students? Daniela is in. Alexa is in. All right. What happened to the rest of the students? Anybody else? ¿Alguien más que se sume? Nobody else? All right. So you ready to play? ¿Listos? Okay. So let me tell you what is the Kahoot about. Déjeme decirle de qué se trata este Kahoot. Well, we continue with prepositions of place. Seguimos con preposiciones de lugar, ¿verdad? But you are going to see the map. Verán este mapa, ¿verdad? Okay. Then you are going to have a sentence, an incomplete sentence. Okay. You will have to complete the sentence with the correct preposition of place. I repeat, you will have to complete the sentence with the correct preposition of place. Okay, so you ready? Here we go. Three, two, one. You have 30 seconds. Yeah, the correct option was between. right? You see, now I gave you 30 seconds. If you want to check the map, of course you can do it, all right? Ready for next question? Let me see who is the winner so far. Lisbeth is winning, then Lainey, then Javier, then Emily Miraba, and Ariana, okay? Go ahead. Next question. The museum. All right. Okay, very good. So the correct answer was next to. Now you got it. Ya lo tienen. Perfect. Let's see. All right. So Lisbeth is winning. After her, we have Lenny, Javier, Emily, and Ariana. All right. All right, guys. What happened to you? Luis Loza, Luis Fernando. Come on, you can do it. Okay. Next question. Absolutely, absolutely. Very, very good. That was the art gallery is on Queen Avenue. Very good. Remember on, sobre. Okay, very good. Let's see. Very good, Javier. Now you're in second place. The first place is for Lisbeth. Then Emily Mirabal. Come on, Emily, you can do it. Lainey and Ariana. All right, guys. Come on, Luis Fernando. Come on. Luis Loza. Come on. Ariana. Alexa, what happened to you, Alexa? All right. Next question, guys. Okay, the theater is between the school and the news agent, all right? Yes.
Muestra la figura, solo me muestra como tipo los colores, pero no me muestra la figura, entonces.
That is the idea, esa es la idea. All right. Let me see. Emily Miraba, second place. Very good, miss. What happened to you, Javier? Come on. Dana and Lainey. All right, but Lisbeth is winning so far. Hasta ahora ganando Lisbeth. Okay, Javier, tiene que sacar la cara por los hombres. Very good. All right. You ready, Emily, second place? And Alexa, what happened to you, Alexa? All right.
No, bien los nombres, mister, y me confundo.
Okay. Remember, now you have 30 seconds. Now you have 30 seconds, okay? Next question. All right. So the hospital is on the corner of Palm Street and Queen Avenue. Be careful. Don't forget this prepositional place is a little bit longer, right? It's on the corner of. Okay, be careful. Let's see how we're doing. Okay. Uh-oh, Lisbeth is winning. All right, Lisbeth. Where's Lisbeth? Let me see Lisbeth. Hey, where's Lisbeth? Let me see Lisbeth. Where's Lisbeth?
Here.
Where? I don't see you on my screen, Lisbeth. Liz, right. You're a winner. You're the winner. Very good. Okay. Okay, next question, guys. You can win, of course you can win, Emily. This is between Lisbeth and Emily, okay? Go ahead, next question. Very good, that was easy. Okay, the Korean restaurant is next to the monk. Very, very good. Let me see. Lisbeth, Emily on second place. Diana, Daniela, and Steven. All right, Steven. Wow, between Lisbeth and Emily. Okay, you can still win, Emily. Next question. All right, the hotel is between the chemist and the fun box. All right, very, very good. Let me see the results. Lisbeth is still number one. Emily, very close, very, very close. Steven, third place. And Alexa, we have Alexa. All right, Alexa, you still can win. Come on. All right. Okay, next question. Right. The shopping center is on Lane Street. Okay, let me see who is winning. Lisbeth and Emily. So last chance for Emily. Last chance for Emily. All right, Lisbeth. Last chance for Emily. Here we go. The art gallery is next to the pub. All right. Wow. Okay, I think Emily is the winner, but Emily, you still can do it. You never know. Last question for all of you guys. Last question. Oh, you see, Dana is in third place, then Alexa, and then Javier. Okay. So this is between Lisbeth and Emily. You ready, girls? ¿Listas, chicas? Parece que las chicas ganaron una vez más. All right. Last question. All right, let's see. So the aquarium is in front of the shopping center. Be careful, guys. This preposition of place is also long. It's in front of. 3 words, right? And let me see who is the winner. Okay, let's see. In third place we have Alexa. Congratulations, Alexa. In second place, Emily Viraba. And in first place, we have Lisbeth. Very, very good. Very, very good, Lisbeth. You are the winner. All right. Very good, very good. Okay. So did you like the activity, guys? Did you like it, the game? Very good, right? Luis Fernando, you woke up. Hasta lo levantamos ya, Luis Fernando. All right. Okay. So this is what we did today, guys. Today, we review prepositions of place, all right? We also practice writing with prepositions of place through Padlet. Then we practice a game with prepositions of place through Kahoot, all right? Be careful, guys. For next class, don't forget, for next class, get all your final activity ready because I am going to work with you in order to correct some mistakes, especially speaking mistakes. But try to work this week. And next week, we will work together, okay? I am going to work with each group in order to improve your pronunciation especially, okay? And I hope you like this activity, guys. I hope you and your family are okay. And do you have any questions before we finished? Any questions before we finish, guys? Congratulations to Liz. You are the winner. Very good, Liz. All right. So thank you, guys. And I see you next week. Have a nice weekend, okay? Thank you, guys.
Bye-bye, mister.
Bye-bye, sir.